Hello fams. I don't know if this is a vlog or a tutorial hairstyle how to make your mom's hair or an afro pop Fulani hairstyle, but all I know is that I'm making my mom's hair right now, and I decided not to do the whole writing thing but rather do a voiceover, because if I have to do the writing stuff I might not post this video because I'm so tired right now. So I decided to do a voiceover, which I'm loving. Now, alongside, I'm not a hairstylist, please. Don't come for me. I don't know how to make hair. I just try adding kinky to this thing. My mom said to add kinky, but guy, if we are going to add kinky to our hair, we're going to sleep here. So at some point, I stopped. I only tried it on this line, but I stopped her hair. And she doesn't want to make the hair tiny. She doesn't want it tiny. She wants it as fast as possible so that she will stand up. And she's the one that chose the hairstyle, Chuku, and the afro on it. So that's that. But alongside the tutorial stroke vlog, I want to share some of the things that I have learned this year, or I'll try to accept and put into practice as I grow in my 20s. And number one is, sometimes acceptance comes before understanding. Literally, because I'm the kind of person that I want to understand it first before I accept it. But at times you just need to accept it, operate on it before you even begin to understand, especially when others probably have understood it or decided to accept it and flow with it. So everyone is just expecting you to accept it. That is how it is. Do it. You get? So sometimes acceptance comes before understanding. And the second one is, respect people's decision, even if it doesn't make sense. I tell you, just respect it, especially with our friends. Respect their decisions if it doesn't make sense. Yeah. And the third is the power of the mind, which leads into the manifestations of our actions through thoughts, and which also the devil can use what you are thinking, what you are scared of, that's fear. So let's think positively, because there is power in our minds. Please rate this hairstyle. How does it look? Because to me, it's looking good. Like, it's looking real good. And also, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me.